so wonderful to have had an opportunity to go over what do you do when the enemy has you surrounded. I loved so much working with you folks on that. And tonight what we're going to do is I'm sharing the mind map with you, and I just want to go over some things with you so you know exactly how to use this mind map. Here to my left, if you notice, where it says praise and worship, obviously that's Tanya doing the praise and worship service. So all you have to do is click the arrow. All right, you can enlarge it if you want, and that will enlarge, and you'll get the entire praise and worship service that Tanya did. All right, let me just stop that. Here you're going to get my full presentation, and the presentation will also include all of the PowerPoint slides, the whole 9 yards. Now, as you know, there were 4 things that you were encouraged to do when the enemy has you surrounded. And the first one was to pray. So what I did is I included all of the works of E.M. Bounds. And for those of you that don't know E.M. Bounds, you're going to know him real well by the end of all of this, because I've included and I have given you all of his books. All right? And the way that you access them is, you see that little clip right there? This is the necessity of prayer. You click that, and boom, the book opens up. All right? And this one's a 55-page book. You'll love it if you really want to get into understanding the dynamics of prayer. Read the full collection of E.M. Bounds. So the first one is the necessity. The next one is the essentials. Then there's the possibilities. Then there's the power through prayer. The entire set is right there for you to read. I've also included Acknowledge His Power. That's number 2. And in there you click that paper clip, and you have a little study on the power of God. Then acknowledge your need for Him. You click that, and you have a little study here on do we need God. And then finally, praise. All right, the power of praise and worship. And there's a study here on the power of praise and worship. On the side of the box right here where it says, what do you do when the enemy has you surrounded? You just simply click that paper clip, and lo and behold, you'll have all 20 of my PowerPoint slides. So you'll have the ability to go through there and just read through my entire presentation. As a matter of fact, what you could do is you can actually download everything that I showed you just by going to File, hit Save As. You can save it on your desktop. You can also create a folder and put it in the folder. However you want to do it, you're able to have that. You can actually go over the slides while viewing the presentation, because you can go slide by slide and go right along with me as we go through what do you do when the enemy has you surrounded. Well, my prayer is that this is going to truly bless you, and I look forward to our next time getting together. Have a blessed